Hey guys, today we're going to do our small investor challenge. We're going to do that for most of our videos this week and continue on. We always want to make sure we're showing the small investor how to get the biggest bang for their buck. And then also, we're going to do some trading at some point here. So right now, with the prices the way they are, I'm going to show you guys where you could get the biggest bang for your buck. So stick around. I got plenty to discuss today. All right, guys, so let's jump into it, right? So this video, I'm going to try to make these videos really quick and to the point. So this way you guys could be able to listen to it and then get the biggest value because you'll be able to listen to everything that I have to say. All right, first, let's start off with the mothership. The mothership is currently going for, never mind all these zeros, we're just going to start with 14,097, right? And in comparison, it's 1429, and then we have 1437, and then 1410, right? So these are the different prices. And so if you are really looking at investing into this token and you want to know which one to, and you're a small investor, and you want to know which one is going to give you the biggest bang for your buck. Let's look at that, right? And so I just ran through the price of each, right? And so now I am going to show you a little spreadsheet I put together and how I am able to use it to be able to tell you where to get the best deal so that you could accumulate your position to be able to start claiming. So here's the spreadsheet. All right, so here's the spreadsheet. And so these are all the fees and everything that I've put in here. And they're going to, so don't mind these until they make them real public. I'm going to even hide these because what I want to really focus on is I wanted you guys to see where it's coming from. But where I really want to focus is the results up here. And so what it's really looking at is if you put $100 in, where do you stand to have the best opportunity to be able to accumulate the most amount of tokens? So right now, when you look at it, based on the price of each of the exchanges, so when you look, if you get on PancakeSwap, this is how much you're going to get on PancakeSwap compared to BitMart. So you would get this much, and then BitMart you would get this much, right? So for $100. So that's a difference of about 563 million. So you 6.4 billion, 6.9 billion, or even 7 billion. And this is the change, right? So you get about an $8 benefit by on BitMart. On BitMart, you'll be able to kind of get the benefits there. When you look at LBank is a slightly, say, 74 million disadvantage based on where the price is. And so that's you probably lose a dollar. And then if you get it on Dcoin, since you know Dcoin is paired with the same price as PancakeSwap, so it's even there. So when I look at that, for me, um, I still like the PancakeSwap opportunity because the PancakeSwap one gives me, yes, not as much as BitMart compared to BitMart, but I don't know. It's I would rather be on the mothership and get the full benefit than to be on BitMart to be able to do that. But since we did say it's about accumulating our position, and we did say BitMart and LBank are the ones that we're going to focus on from a trading standpoint. So if you're a trader, consider these two right now. But right now, BitMart is giving the better deal if you're a trader there. And if you're looking at accumulating the positions on PancakeSwap, this is pretty good right now. The price came down, and the reason for this, it was a little bit better, but the price is going up, and so you have to take that into account. So let's watch let's look at the charts and see why this is happening. But I wanted to get straight to the point and tell you right now, best place right now is on BitMart, but PancakeSwap is the one that's going to give you the biggest bang for your buck. So the question is, does 560 million worth going on BitMart to be able to do that. And so just wanted to give you guys that information. But right now, BitMart is giving you the best deal, and then you have LBank. Yeah, and so this is it. I mean, that's what the data is telling me. And so I wanted to give you guys that information to see what I saw. Again, I'm not giving you financial advice, but I put that little spreadsheet together to kind of with all the fees and everything in it. And then I just took the information up here to kind of say, okay, where should I go? But for me, for this challenge, because PancakeSwap is so low and because I want to get to a point where we're collecting on a small account, I'm going to make a purchase on PancakeSwap to kind of grow that account. And so that's the whole goal of it. And these are good deals for trading. I'm probably going to put some positions on them as well today. So I'll look for that. I'll include some of that coverage in this video, but I wanted to kind of let you know I'm going to start with a $100 investment here. And then I'm going to open up some positions here to trade. And so right now, since the data is saying BitMart is the leader, I'm going to invest a little bit in BitMart and see if I could do a little bit of trading on BitMart, right? And so that's what we'll do. We'll use, and I don't want you guys to feel that you have to open an account in each one of them. But for me, I'm opening an account in the mothership, BitMart and LBank, which I do have accounts in them already. And so that's what we're going to be using for this video to kind of show you guys how you can make money with this stuff. So again, just taking you through my journey, not giving financial advice. So with that, you guys could stop watching here, but I'm going to carry on and do some price action for those that want to continue to watch this. So if you're stopping at this point, thank you for watching, and everyone else, let's get going to the charts. All right, so this is what's happened. When I started to prep for this video, the price was around here, so the bank you were getting a lot more. But since then, that price is, I tell you guys, in the 15s, we don't stay there long. We come down to the 15 and then price for some reason wants to kind of get out. We know why, because we've established between below 15 is where we really see the great opportunity, the great buying come in. It's been a great support for these levels. And let me show you what I mean by that. And so when you look at that, so so look at 15. I mean, this was on V1 as well. Boom, bounce. So this is, let me draw the 15 line for you guys. It is a pretty reliable area for me, at least in my investments, to be able to invest in that, right? So boom, boom, boom. It came down a little bit, took off. Boom, the same thing's going to happen because this is what this has been established as a very sound support area for folks. And so, yeah, this is where a lot of people see that stability, and then they kind of come in. So I'm not surprised that these are people are coming in to buy, but that's the beauty of this token, man. You buy it, you ride it all up, and you know, if you're constantly investing at these levels, you're having a great deal. So I am really excited, and that's why I want to purchase here, because this is a discount, especially from small investors that are looking at this. You could have a really good buying opportunity to kind of position yourself so that you could increase your position so that you could be able to claim. And so that's what I'm going to do. And so I do have a small account, and I'll walk through and show the purchases, but this is what I wanted to do to kind of be able to get that. So great opportunity here, and I didn't want to miss the opportunity to show you guys that. And so let's go to LBank. LBank, LBank again, LBank as well. It is right at its again at this level. This is a nice support level to get in, at least to scale in, and right here is another nice level to scale in. So, man, okay, so when you look at these two, really opportunity to get in here, and if it doesn't turn over, another opportunity to pick up the bag. But these are the levels here that man, I this the to right now is a great opportunity to pick up this token at the cheap, and I don't think it's going to stay there long. Every time it does, it takes right back off. So, and I think the same thing is going to happen again. So I am going to be putting some in at LBank. And so BitMart, this is where we said we're going to get the biggest bang for a buck as well, in terms of being able to get here. So I am going to move some funds over here as well today, and I'm going to pick up some. So I am going to be playing on all three of them. And so the challenge is going to be I'm going to put $100 in each one, and then see how I'm able to do grow it. And so we'll do that. I'll track down in regards to each one of these exchanges how we're doing. So that's the challenge, right? So I'm gonna go 100, 100, and 100, $300 within these three, and then I'll record the results, and then I'll share that with you guys so you guys could see how that's going. So I wanted to get that video out for you guys, and so that's it. So thank you for watching.